Friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc.
Category 4.
All this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Room categories of rooms are available online. You can book them and enjoy your stay. Some members are available at this hotel along with various events and activities.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
For booking or more details, follow the description link.
If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property.